Good morning, students. Last class we learned about GCD. Today we are going to learn LCM, least common multiple. The short form is LCM. It's a definition. The least common multiple of two or more algebraic expressions is the expressions of lowest degree or power such that the expressions exactly divide it. Next, to find LCM by factorization method. To find LCM by factorization method, 4 steps. First step is each expression is first resolved into its factors. First resolved into factors. Is resolved into factors is 3 different types. First one is common factor method. Second one is identity method. Third one is factorization T method. The second one identity is 4 different formulas. First formula is already you know, x square minus y square. This equal to x plus y into x minus y. Second one, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Third one, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Fourth one, x power 4 minus y power 4 is equal to x square plus y square into x plus y into x minus y. These 4 formulas for identity formulas. Next, second step, the highest power of the factors will be the LCM. The highest power of the factors will be the LCM. Third step, if the expressions have numerical coefficients, find the LCM. Fourth one, the product of LCM of factors and coefficients. The product of LCM of factors and coefficients is required LCM. You multiply these 2 steps. For example, find the LCM of 8x power 4 y square, 48x square y power 4. Here using for 2 different variables x and y. X and y. Is a LCM means highest power of the variables. You can comparing the x. Comparing the x means the highest power is 4. The highest power of x is x power 4. The same method comparing the y also, highest power is 4. Therefore, the highest power of x and y is x power 4 and y power 4. Next, numerical coefficient. The numerical coefficient of 8, 48 is a factorization method. 8, 48. You can take LCM, this LCM method. This one answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Answer, the numerical coefficient is 48. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3, 48. Numerical coefficient is 48. The highest power of x and y variable is x power 4 into y power 4. Therefore, LCM is the product of these 2 answers. 48 into x power 4 into y power 4. This is a LCM. So, okay. Next, exercise number 3.3. Second question. Find the LCM of the given expressions. Find the LCM of the given expressions. First subdivision, 4x square y, 8x cube y square. Here using for only 2 variables, x and y alone. You can comparing the powers. X square, x power 3. Which one is the largest power? 3. Next, y power y square. Variable answer is x cube y square is the answer. Next, you can take the numerical coefficient LCM, 4 and 8. 4, 8, 2 tables. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, 2 tables. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next, 2 tables. It's not possible. Here, 1 2s are 2. LCM means you multiply all the values. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The LCM of 4, 8 is 8. This is a numerical coefficient. Therefore, LCM is 8 into x cube y square, highest power of the variable. For example, asking for GCD means lowest power of the variable. Lowest power of the variable, you can comparing the x and y. X lowest power is x square. Y lowest power is y. X square y is a GCD. Next, numerical coefficient GCD, greatest common divisor. These 2 factors alone dividing for common. Therefore, 2 2s are 4. GCD is 4 into x square y. That's all. Next, second subdivision, minus 9a cube into b square, 12a square b square into c. Here using for 3 different variables. First First one 2 variables, second one 3 variables. Therefore answer LCM is 3 variable only. Comparing the A is largest power is 3, B largest power is 2, C is 1. Therefore A cube B square C is a LCM. Next you can take numerical coefficient of 9, 12. 9, 12 is a dividing for 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Next 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 4 is not divisible by 3 tables. Next 4 table, 1 4s are 4 is a LCM. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. The LCM of the minus 9 and 12 is minus 36. Next LCM is minus 36 into the highest power of the A 3, highest power of the B 2, next C variable also. This is a LCM. Next GCD means here only one factor alone common. 3 is a common. 3 and 4 is not a common factors. Therefore GCD is 3. Lowest power of A square. Lowest power of the B square. C is no common factor. Therefore no need for C. That's all. LCM and GCD difference. LCM means highest power of the variable. GCD means lowest power of the factors. Third sum 16m, minus 12m square n square, 8n square. First take the numerical coefficient of 16, 12, 8. This is the numerical coefficients. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3, 48. Here only one minus. Therefore minus 48 is a numerical coefficient of 16, 12 and 8. Next variable using for two different variable m and n. M highest power is m square, n highest power is n square. Therefore LCM is minus 48 m square n square. For example, we find out the GCD. Here this two factor alone common factors. 2 into 2 4. Variable, any variables are common for these three terms. M, okay, here no m, therefore it's not possible. GCD is 4. The GCD of 16m, minus 12m square n square, 8n square is equal to 4. That's all. Next, fourth question. Fourth one is p square minus 3p plus 2, p square minus 4. Here factors. This model is a factors model. P square minus 3p plus 2. Here using for three different types. Common factor, identities, third one factorization. Here no common factors. Next is not a formula method. Third one is a factorization, T method. Product of the two terms. Product of the two term means coefficient of p square into constant term. 1 into 2, 2. Sum of the two term means coefficient of p minus 3. Now find out the factors of 2. Factors of 2 is 1 into 2. Only one factor. 1 2s are 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1, 2. Here symbols are minus, minus. Minus into minus plus. 1 2s are 2. Sum of the two terms. Minus 1 minus 2 means minus 3. Here using the variable is p. Therefore factors p minus 1 into p minus 2. Coefficient of p square is 1. Therefore divided by 1 also here. Divided by 1 means it's a no problem. That same answer. P minus 1 into p minus 2. Second formula is p square minus 4. 4 is the square of 2. P square minus 4 is equal to p square minus 2 square. This is a only identity method. X square minus y square. X plus y into x minus y. Now first we find out the GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. P minus 2 alone greatest common divisor. LCM means you write the p minus 2 first. Next you can write the remaining terms. P minus 1 into p plus 2. This is a LCM. GCD means compulsory common factor. LCM means it's no problem. You can join the another remaining terms also. Fifth one. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Minus 4x square minus 36. This is a factorization method, T method. 2 3s are minus 6. Sum of the two term is minus 5. Factors of 6 is 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6. Only for two factors. Which one is suitable means 1 and 6 is suitable. plus 1 minus 6. Plus into minus minus 1 6 are 6. Plus 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Here coefficient of x square is 2. Therefore divided by 2. Divided by 2. Variable is x. You can write here x. X. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. Factor is x plus 1 by 2 into x minus 3. X plus 1 by 2 into x minus 3. After take cross multiplication, 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 is a factorization of this formulas. Second one is 4x square minus 36. Here what is the common factor? 4 is a common factor. After 4, 1 into x square, 9 4s are 36. X square minus 9. 9 is the square of 3. Therefore x square minus 3 square. This is one of the formula method. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. First you write the GCD. Which one is a common factor? X minus 3 is a common factor. X minus 3. LCM means you write the x minus 3. Next you can write the remaining terms. 4 into x plus 3 into 2x plus 1 also. This is a LCM. Otherwise you can join in this 2x plus 3 into x minus 3 is x square minus 9. 4 into x square minus 9 into 2x plus 1. This is a LCM. Okay, thank you.